Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special day because it's my cat's birthday. Well, one of them, because if you know me, you know I have 4 cats. Yeah, today is Lola's birthday. I love to spoil my cats because to me, my pets are like my children. I just love them very, very much. I've noticed that there is a segregation, if I may, of treats towards cats versus dogs, meaning there's a much larger variety of organic treats for dogs, but cats, they just generally have cat food. It's just really discouraging as a cat mom to go to these pet stores and find all these treats for cats that are just like not good for my cats. So I thought today, since you know it's Lola's birthday, that we would not only throw her a birthday bash, but as the main course, aka dessert slash birthday cake, whatever you want to call it, we're gonna make something and it's gonna be organic, and the cats are gonna love it because it's gonna be delicioso. In order to throw this big birthday bash, aka bake a cat cake, whatever the heck we're doing, you want to call it, I don't know. For our birthday bash, we need party hats. She's gonna be so mad if I try to put this on her. Whatever. Lola, come here. You want a hat? Come here. Come here. Oh, I love you. Show everybody. Say it's my birthday. It's my birthday. Lola, I love you. Oh, you're so angry. Okay. We have birthday candles. And I also thought it'd be kind of cool while our birthday cake is baking to do this really cute, fun activity to put her paw in. I thought that would be adorable. So that's what we might do later if we have time. I don't know. We'll see. Also, you know, you can't have a birthday without birthday gifts. They're so cute. They look like tea bags. They're catnip, but she can't get them till later. I just found a recipe online and it's kind of gross. It actually uses baby food, which I thought was kind of weird. Yeah, just tell me how disgusting. This is turkey. It looks gross, but it's literally just ground turkey, water, and cornstarch. So it can't be that bad for the cats, right? I don't know. We're gonna find out. I'll list the ingredients and we'll get them together, and I'm just gonna put them all in a bowl and we're gonna literally mash it and make like a little cake out of it. That's what this video is about. Making my own cat treats. So I hope you guys like it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We produce really good content on this channel. Really good content. A lot of cat content. So I'm gonna bake a cake now. Okay. Oh my god. Oh. Note to self, put these in before you plug it in. Holy crap. Almost freaking whipped my finger into this. Yeah, it's your sister's birthday. It's your sister's birthday. Do you want to wear a hat? Can we try putting a hat on you? You go. You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh, I love it. Oh, okay. Honestly, there's no babies in my family, so I don't even really know what like baby food smells like, but I imagine it smelling pretty awful, so let's try it. It's not a pleasant smell. Ooh. Lola, you want to try it? Okay, Lola likes it and it's her birthday, so that's all that matters. As long as you like it, Lo. What, baby? What's wrong? Okay, and then we gotta mix that. What? All these cats are getting excited, I think. This looks disgusting. Ugh. Look at that. Ugh. I know, Mama. Gosh, she just keeps crying. She's ready. Okay. So this is what it looks like. I think it looks a lot better. Kind of looks like mushy rice. It does not smell very good. It actually is making me want to have like a gag reflex. The cats are going nuts though, all of them. They're just crying. They want to try this cake. I know. I know. Yum. Oh gosh, the smell. Okay, so yeah, I think we just put it in the oven. Try and keep this really far from my face. And then maybe we can cut it once it's done. I don't really know, but let's put it in the oven for 15 minutes and find out. Okay. While our organic cat birthday cake thing is cooking, I thought it'd be kind of fun to make this little ceramic paw print thing for Lola. Okay, this seems pretty easy. It's not like cement or clay where you have to like mix water into it and like make your own concoction. Apparently it's like a mold. So I can do that. Gosh, this hat is kind of annoying. Oh, I'm okay. I'm okay. Yeah, if you want treats later, you have to do this. Sorry. Ready? Stop. Stop. Bella, don't bite it. Just do it. Stop. Bella, just let me do it, please. It's gonna be so cute. Come on. Seriously? Come on, please. But I can hold you. Please, please, please. Just one time. I know. Gosh, you guys make it seem like you have such hard lives. No, no. Ah! Okay, good enough. Oh, good mama. Ready? Ah! Don't touch Bella's. Huh? Well, you Bella's, so thanks. Please be good. Just do it. You're so heavy. You're so heavy. Come on, I gotta wet your paw. Come on. No, don't bite. Don't bite it. Oh, come on. Gosh. There we go. Good girl. Ta-da! Oh, did I have that in my mouth the whole time? Oh my god. What is that? Well, that's embarrassing. Now that we have our little treats, aka birthday cakes, we have to put them back in the oven for 8 minutes. Okay, our timer's going. Let's get some cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lola. Happy birthday to you. Okay, okay, blow it out, blow it out. Ah! All right. Now we really have to see if she wants to eat it. Lola, you want your toys? You want your birthday toys? Lola! So I'm realizing that maybe my cats don't really like the homemade organic treats, which kind of sucks because I feel like I put a lot of thought and a lot of time into making them special treats because, you know, I care so much about what goes into their bodies and they just don't care. That's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you comment below happy birthday to Lola, because again, the whole point of this video is that it's Lola's birthday. So happy birthday, Lola. Cat fight. Okay, love you guys. See you guys next week. Bye.